Hey guys, welcome to our channel Student Impulse, a unique channel to help job seekers, both freshers and experienced professionals. It is also helps students to get to know what the skill set they have to improve during their studies, which lands them a dream job after their education.
In this video, I am going to share some of the latest job openings in Tiruchirappalli location at Tiruchi. So it is from Tamil Nadu. Let's discuss one by one. Firstly, there is a job opening for academic coordinator position from Shakti NEET Residential Academy. It is located in Tiruchirappalli. So they are going to offer a salary for this position is 25,000 rupees per month. And for this, the age should be 35 to 45 years and with experience in working as a teacher in engineering colleges or matriculation schools and willing to travel within Tamil Nadu. So they are going to offer travel allowances and food allowances, and you should be having a car driving license and experience, willing to work as a boys hostel warden in rotation are preferred. So these are the responsibilities required for this position. So you can also check with the all details provided here, and you can also approach them with the given phone number for further details about this job position. The number is 9345129898. Next, there is a job opening for content writer position from Farmers Grain. It is located in Tiruchirappalli, Tamil Nadu. So this is about the job description, and you can check with the all the details provided here. And I mean the skills and the responsibilities required for this position. Interested candidates, if you are suitable for this position, you can approach them with the given phone number, that is 9080607073 for further details. Next, there is a job opening for customer service advisor position from Shiva Automobiles Private Limited. So they are going to offer a salary for this position is 12,000 rupees per month. Qualification will be DME Mech or BE Mech. Experience will be zero point 0.3 years and above in automobile field. So you should be having age should be above 22 years, and it is for male candidates, and eligible candidates you can walk into the interview along with the updated resume, and this will be the interview venue. You can check with this, and you can also approach them with the given phone number for further details about this job position. The number is 7373737679. Next, there is a job opening for graphic designer or Photoshop designer position from NSP Digital Lithos Flex and Inks located in Tiruchirappalli. So they are going to offer a salary for this position is 17,000 rupees per month. So they are looking for the post of graphic designer or Photoshop designer to design posters, brochures, online ads, invitation and visiting cards, etc. So coming to skills, well versed in Photoshop or CorelDRAW, and you should be having minimum 2 years of experience, and Tamil typing knowledge is must. It is a full-time job. Interested candidates, you can walk into the interview by approaching them with the given phone number for further details. The number is 9087544522. Next, there is a job opening for canteen server position from Natisan Housing Private Limited. So these are the some of the responsibilities provided here. You can go through it once, and you can also approach them with the given phone number for further details. The number is 9655991145. Next, there is a job opening for office admin position from Sri Amman Medicaid System. So they are going to offer a salary for this position is 15,000 rupees per month. Qualification will be BE or any degree. Computer knowledge and tally is required. Freshers and experienced persons both can eligible to apply for this position. So it is for only female candidates. So interested candidates, you can approach them with the given phone number for further details. The number is 9940666811. Next, there is a job opening for maths faculty for IIT JEE Krishna Institute. It is located in Tiruchi. So they are going to offer a salary for this position is 10,000 rupees per month. And you can also check with the job description and as well as with the responsibilities mentioned here. And it is a full-time or part-time job. and you can also approach them with the given phone number for further details about this job position. The number is 8680856666. Next, there is a job opening for computer operator cum office assistant position from Winkler, located in Tiruchirappalli. So they need a female staff as a computer operator cum telecom handler. So shifts timings will be, so it starts from 7 a.m. and this is the location. You can check with this, and you should be having knowledge in computer and English language is required. It is a full-time job, so fresher candidates are also eligible to apply for this position. Interested candidates, you can walk into the interview by approaching them with the given phone number for further details. The number is 8300497151. Next, there is a job opening for data entry or billing operator position from Ramson Autos, located in Tiruchirappalli. So it is a full-time job. Fresher candidates are also eligible to apply for this position. So you can also check with the job description, and you can also approach them with the given phone number for further details. The number is 8643853366. Next, there is a job opening for tuition teacher position from Esclopin Consultancy Services Private Limited. So they need candidates for home tuition teacher taking classes for primary kids. So working hours will be daily 2 hours classes are there. You have to provide complete activity based learning, and you must be fluent in English. Additional languages are also required. It will be a benefit, so must have previous experience in kids handling. So working days will be Monday to Friday, 2 hours daily. So it is for only female candidates. You can also check with all the details provided here, and you can also approach them with the given phone number for further details. The number is 9947114448. So that's it in this video, guys. Hope this video will help you a lot. If you like the video, please like, share to your friends and family members, and subscribe the channel for more updated videos. And also please encourage us to do more videos in your location. Thank you for watching the video.